In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service. And then tap on Google Password Manager. Finally, you can click on any password that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then use the Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!